وهذه إحدى التفجيرات التي قضت على عدد كبير منهم.
Huge explosions in Barzeh are captured on camera, with an Arabic narration saying that government forces were targeting who they described as terrorists in the Syrian town.
وجوارها تشهد معارك متقطعة.
According to the bulletin, broadcast on Syrian state television, the explosions were carried out by militants fleeing the area near Damascus.
محاولة اقتحام الحي بالدبابات. الله أكبر. حي برزة الدمشقي.
In the video, obtained from a social media website, troops can be seen taking position amongst the rubble in the town, with further footage showing soldiers moving between buildings during the offensive.
وبعد تغطية نارية مكثفة.
The town has been a flashpoint for fighting between rebels and President Assad's forces for several months, with activists reporting that the army is using siege tactics to starve the population into submission.